What's up? My name's Kamal, and today I'm gonna just film a quick video on how to change the wipers on my 2013 Mazdaspeed3. Sorry my hair is kind of messy, just finished filming a video on how to change the spark plugs on my car. If you guys want to check out any of the Mazdaspeed3 videos I've filmed, you can go to my channel and just check out the playlist I made for the Speed. And please subscribe, helps me out a lot and I appreciate it. So these are the wipers. I just got the, Mazda wipers from the dealership. They always seem to work pretty well. So we just have the larger one for the driver's side and the shorter one for the passenger side. And then those are the part numbers there if anyone's curious and wants to try and find them online or something. So as y'all can see in the packaging here, it actually shows you how to do this pretty much. It shows you I guess there's 3 different types. Ours is like the hook type, so I'll show you guys how to do it. It's pretty simple. So you just lift this up, you can turn the wiper this way, and there's, I don't know if you guys can see this little tab over here. You just push this tab outward, and then the wiper should just pull down. So once you get it out from under the hook, just move it this way and take it out. And then just a tip, I always put these back down before I go get the new wiper, because I mean, yeah, when they're up like this they should stay, but there's like a spring in here, and I mean, it's possible that this thing could just, you don't have to push it much and it flings back down. So I always just set these back down so they don't put a chip in the windshield. So then just grab your new one and you just turn this out like that. So you stick the wiper through there, put it up here, you can hear it click in, and then set it back down. So really not tricky. Like I said, just push this out, comes down, and move it to the left and it comes out. And I always set that back down. And we can get our new one here. So you can see, you just turn this down this way. It goes on like that. Up here, you hear it snap in, and you can always just check to make sure it's in place. And that's pretty much it. That's how you change the wipers. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's probably one of the easiest things you'll have to do to your car. But thanks for watching anyways. If this was helpful to anybody, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps me out a lot. And thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all soon. Peace.